There it is. Their mouths opened and closed. I weave a web that eats me up.
Mom, you know what? In addition to the biggest boss stealing the spirit easel, there is also a second largest boss, Spider Girl. It's not online yet. Then I'll make you a blind bag for Spider Girl. Let you play first. Let's start with the Spider Girl. Her neck is so long. The skirt was tattered. The forearm should be drawn separately. Color in with a marker. The hole is gray and white. Draw the spider legs. Draw the spider legs. Draw things together. And I started drawing the scene. It's all scenes from the Weird Asylum. Does that look familiar to you? Babies, I heard that Spider Girl is the mother of the little bone spider. Is that true? The characters that the 4 treasure hunters can choose from. Hide it in. Let's choose a row to treasures. Let's see which of you is lucky enough to hide until the end. Finally, draw a blind bag. The big cover says Spider Girl. Pat? It's done. Stinky treasure. Now, you can go and arrest people. It was also played by me. Haha, have fun, have fun. Take the Spider Girl off first. It looks a little scary. It's the monster I'm most afraid of on the treasure hunt. Now I'm under arrest. I'm going to help it find 4 hideouts. There are 4 cocoons wrapped around it. You can tell by your body shape. This is Mildu. Egg yellow, egg green, and puffs. Whoever's caught will be turned into a cocoon. There are 4 madhouse scenes. I'm going to start arresting people. Let's take a look at this examination room first. Isn't it obvious? There is a large treasure box. Must be hidden in the treasure box. It's supposed to be upside down. Hey, who is not afraid of this? There's no one in the treasure box. It's not hidden here. Pretty good at hiding. The curtain is loose.
Here you go.
I got you. Little green egg. The Spider Girl turned it into a cocoon and took it away. Egg green is out. Ouch me. Going to the second scene. The way he came out was too special. If I meet him on a treasure hunt, directly. Is it hidden behind the shelf? No? Hidden behind the hospital chair? I took a look. No. This is too good at hiding. That's all that's left. It must be here. Come out. Still not. It seems that there is no one in this scene. So let's move on to the next scene. The counseling center. The scene looks empty. See if there's anything behind the standing card. No. That's strange. Where is it? Hidden? Unhung. Caught the egg yellow. He was also untangled in a cocoon and taken away. That's pathetic. And the last picture is at the hallway security gate here. Visiting hours are from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Who will come at 12 o'clock in the evening? How terrible. I see. It must be hidden behind this slogan. No? Could it be hidden behind this sign? Neither. I see. He must be hiding behind the door. It's Mildu. He got caught. Don't be cocooned. Take away. Take away. Bye-bye. Only eggshell yellow, eggshell green, and Mildu were found. Puff's cocoon hasn't been used yet. Puff won the final victory. The Puff figure is so lucky. But the babies, where are the Puffs hidden? Why haven't I been able to find it?